Hello, cocktail connoisseur. My name is Paulo Gomes, a co-owner of the Red Frog Speakeasy in Lisbon, and welcome to our bar. So today I'm going to present you the classic cocktail that is a base of most of our menu. So we recreate from all the classics. So we pick classics and then we twist. So we're going to show you a little bit of what we do it. In this case, we're going to do it a Sazerac, a traditional cocktail from New Orleans. And is the first Sazerac we have on the menu, so we pick this to great responsible, but we want to do it something very different from what you get. So we get this kind of umami flavor. So as a base, we always do it with rye whiskey, half and half of cognac. We do all the bar with per batch, so this is easy for us, but also make consistency. In this case, we have everything done. So half of rye whiskey, half of the Pierre Ferrand cognac that we sous vide with the black sesame, and then we make a sweet part with the shoyu caramel. So these we made with shoyu, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of caramel. We just reduce, and then we make it 1 to 2 syrup, very light, very low on sugar, and then we just give a mix it. What's gonna do it? So let's start to do it. So Sazerac is a complicated cocktail that even for our guests, local guests, they are not used to that. So what we try to do is also time on a time get inside of these classic cocktails for they can start it. So maybe foreigners, they are most useful to that, but locals, they are not. So even these kind of cocktails with absinthe a little bit more strong. So we always try to educate the guests with that. So we'll mix it. And then we're gonna pick a glass and spray a little bit of absinthe. That is traditional from the Sazerac. Yeah, it's quite there. This from the fridge. So, but also from outside. So like a traditional Sazerac, we serve neat, and then when you get off of the glass, we come and we change. We pick another glass from the freezer and we change from the guest. This also is a good way for always get fresh. So wood.